for serving with dedication, creativity, and excellence as the renowned artist of the times. And a certificate of recognition for his creativity, dedication, and exceptional skill in layouting the first volume of the Times Graphic Folio titled Use of Kids. We will also receive a certificate of recognition in grateful recognition, valuable support, and outstanding dedication as a student coach of the research project titled Palatano, Development of an IoT-based soil analysis and cloud-based fertilizer recommendation system utilizing historical rainfall patterns for inbred and hybrid rice cultivation.
Please give a round of applause to Maria Janelle L. Malusi because she will receive the